Hello there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. Mzansi's gossip circle are on fire after a screenshot of Kenya Mbau reacting to unverified rumors linking actress Buhle Samuel to businessman Tumi Ndala, who is the husband of media personality Lerato Kganyago, went viral on Tuesday, the 18th of August 2026. It wasn't the allegations alone that caught people's attention. It was Mbau's knowing expression that had the internet convinced that she may be sitting on some serious tea. The buzz originated from the Popcorn Room, a popular South African gossip account which claimed that Buhle Samuels allegedly received gifts and trips from Tumi Ndala. The account stopped short of calling it a confirmed romance, and neither party has stepped forward to address the speculation publicly. While the allegations themselves are unverified, it was Kenya Mbau's visible reactions to the news that truly set social media alight. Her expression, which many interpreted as knowing or unsurprised, prompted a gossip account at Ewe, who posted the clip with the caption which says Kenya Mbau's reaction to Buhle Samuel dating Lerato Kganyago's husband. Does she know something that we do not know? The post racked up over 552,000 views within hours of going live, with Mzansi firmly divided between defending Buhle Samuels and reading between the lines of Kenya Mbau's body language. Even Mbau's Instagram account at Mbau Reloaded weighed in with the cryptic quip, "No one is above the program." You guys, what do you guys think about this? Now the comments sent followers into overdrive, though many were left scratching their heads over exactly what the program meant. One user summed up the collective confusion perfectly and said, "Can someone explain to me what do they mean by the program?" It's a fair question. The phrase appeared to be an inside reference that only a select few seemed to understand, which only deepened the mystery and kept the conversation going well into the evening. Lerato Kganyago is one of South Africa's most recognizable TV and radio personality, has not publicly commented on the rumors surrounding her husband. Buhle Samuels, who's known for her acting roles in local productions, has similarly remained silent on the matter. You guys, with no confirmation from any of the parties involved, the allegations remains firmly in the realm of unverified gossip. Please do engage your thoughts in the comment section down below.